If you wanna take advantage of the new TikTok creativity program and make a fortune out of it, this video is perfect for you. You probably know that TikTok's new creativity program pays a lot of money, and today's niche is really easy to automate with AI, so you can get a fortune out of it. In this really short video, you will get a step-by-step guide to creating videos like this with AI. Let me show you a sample video.
Once upon a time in a small town, there was a quirky inventor named Professor Chuckle. He was known for creating the silliest gadgets that always...
Now let's start creating the video. First, find the relaxing videos on YouTube. Type this and click on the 3 bars and go to commercial use. Now you can use these videos. Now find some funny short stories. I suggest going to ChatGPT and type something like this. I'll paste it in the description. You can just simply copy it. For your own content, this approach is highly effective as these stories are very engaging and keep viewers entertained. Next step is to create voiceover. It's crucial to have an engaging voiceover to keep the audience attention. I'll use 11 Labs for that. It's free and sounds real, but feel free to use any voiceover you want. Choose a voice that suits your video's topic. I'll use a deep voice for mine. Copy and paste the script we generated with ChatGPT. Now the video editing. I'll use CapCut. You can use it too. It's completely free. First thing first, import the background video and voiceover into CapCut. Next, drag and drop your voiceover. After that, go to text and add auto caption. Choose a good animation and font. Add colors and maintain the size. If you wanna make the video more engaging, add some effects and background music. That's all. If you did everything correct, you will end up with a good edited video. Now it's your time to go viral on TikTok and make good amount of money. That's all. If you are interested in more niches, click the video on the screen. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in the next one.